Yo, so basically this is how you make a rock paper scissors game in Python. Very simple, very basic. Anyone could do it really. So yeah, let's go. Import random to get the random module, and then you need to make a function, yeah, with those parameters, and just basic stuff here. If play said R for rock and opponent, I can't spell that, equals S, so scissors, or player equals S and opponent equals P. No, wrong one. Or player equals P and opponent equals R, then return true. Basically, it's just to see who wins really. Alright, def play. This is the actual game. So this is the file now. The play function just makes the user choose rock, paper or scissors, and then the computer chooses from rock, paper, scissors from a list, and they just compare each other. If user is computer's answer, it's a tie. And now we need to see if they want to play again. And now they can play another time if they want to, but if they want to play more times, they're gonna have to restart the app. Let's test it. So I'm going to put scissors, and I won. Play again. Yeah. R. It's a tie. So basically, you're just playing against the computer. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. So if you liked the tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And comment what ideas you want me to do next.